Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Outlook won't open, and you need to fix it fast. First, try closing Outlook completely through Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, find Outlook, click End Task. Sometimes, a stuck process is the problem. If that doesn't work, open Outlook in safe mode. Press the Windows key plus R, type outlook.exe/safe, then press Enter. This starts Outlook without add-ins. If it opens, an add-in is likely causing the issue. Go to File, then Options, click Add-ins, select COM Add-ins from the drop-down, and click Go. Uncheck add-ins one by one until you find the culprit. Restart Outlook normally after disabling each one to test. If safe mode doesn't help, try repairing your Office installation. Go to the Windows Start menu, type Control Panel, then click Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list, right-click it, and select Change. Choose Quick Repair first. If that fails, try Online Repair, which takes longer but is more thorough. Another solution is creating a new Outlook profile. Go back to the Control Panel, search for Email, Microsoft Outlook, then click Show Profiles, and Add to create a fresh one. Set it as the default, then try opening Outlook. Finally, ensure your Windows and Office are fully updated. Outdated software can cause many issues. Checking for updates in Windows settings and within any Office application can resolve underlying conflicts. These steps should help get your Outlook working again.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.